Welcome to MyGoMinds. Today I will tell you how to install Python. So basically Python is a programming language and a scripting language. So it is very easy and simple to learn. So if you wanted to develop a web application, we have to use Python as programming language. And if you wanted to work with data science, machine learning, deep learning, AI, we have to use Python as scripting language. In Python, we do have different versions, and also we can write Python programs on different IDEs, which is an integrated development environment, IDLE, which is integrated development and learning environment, VS Code, and Python. So let's start how to install Python. So first, go to Google and type Python download. So once it is there, you have to check www.python.org. Click on that. So this is the latest version. Download Python 3.11.4. And also we do have Python for Windows, Linux, Unix, and Mac OS. So click on download Python. So once it is downloaded, so once you open, you'll be getting this. And you have to first check add python.exe.path and then customize installation, and then these all will be auto selected and next. And you have to check install Python 3.11 for all users, and this is the path, this is the installation location, and then install. Was successful, which means that you have successfully installed Python. Now you can close. Once it is closed, search for IDLE. So you got, now here you can see IDLE Python 3.11 64 byte. Now click on open. So once it is open, now let us maximize. Now let us check A is equals to MyGoMinds and print A. It's successful. And also you can open file, new file, and here A is equals to hello, welcome to MyGoMinds, print A. Now you have to save as demo.py and save it. So once it is saved, click on run model. See, now you can see hello, welcome to MyGoMinds. And that's it. Please follow MyGoMinds for more videos, and also you can follow us on Instagram. The page is MyGoMinds. Thank you.